The Redbo 160-amp 5-in-1 welder offers impressive versatility, capable of handling multiple welding processes, including gas-metal arc welding, flux-cored arc welding, shielded metal arc welding, and lift tungsten inert gas welding. Equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology, this welder supports dual voltage inputs of 110 volts and 220 volts, ensuring reliable performance across various power supplies. Safety is a priority with this welder, as it includes overheat, overload, overvoltage, and overcurrent protection features, providing peace of mind during use. Users will appreciate the welder's capability to handle various wire sizes and types, making it suitable for a wide range of applications from aerial work to indoor decoration. This welder is particularly effective for working with thin materials like stainless steel and can even weld aluminum when used with a compatible spool gun or MIG torch. With a 2-year warranty and a commitment to high-quality standards, Redbo ensures that their products are tested to withstand harsh conditions before reaching consumers.